billions of emails are sent every year. Despite the rise of social media and other messaging channels, email marketing is still on the rise. For businesses that want to attract and retain customers, email marketing campaigns are crucial. In fact, 81% of small businesses rely on email as their primary customer acquisition channel, and 80% for retention. With these facts and figures in mind, it's easy to see the relevance of email marketing across all industries today. Before you hit send, keep in mind these 7 tips to help you ensure that your brand is putting its best foot forward when that email lands in your audience's inboxes. Number 1. Set goals that are smart. The first step in starting any campaign is to identify your brand's goals. Each email you send, each tagline you develop, should result in an end goal that can be measured and tracked over time. With email marketing, it's important to apply the SMART goals strategy for every campaign you commit to. Each goal you set for your campaign should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. By ensuring that your goals can be tracked and tested, you are setting a precedent for your future strategies that will be informed by clear and measurable information. Without setting goals that are easy to understand, you lack the ability to determine what you've achieved and how to move forward. Number 2. Create a targeted email list. In order to reach the right set of people for your brand, you need to make sure you know your audience and that you are utilizing a targeted email list. Creating a targeted email list allows you to collect information on your audience and create segments based on metrics like geographic location, demographics, interests, and more. Number 3. Think about your email sender name and subject lines. Some of the simplest features of your email hold the most importance and value when it comes to your campaign's success rate. For starters, your email sender name is especially significant because it's what catches your reader's attention. It is often the first thing people consider when deciding to open an email. Try sticking to your company's name and refrain from using a person's name or do not reply address. Take a look at how you're approaching your email subject lines. Your email subject line is the next giveaway for your audience to decide whether to open your message or not. Number 4. Feature interesting and relevant content. When it comes to email copy, be sure to keep things simple and straightforward. Get to the point and draw your audience in with personalized content that includes eye-catching images and ends with an effective call to action. Just as you should avoid spam trigger words when developing your subject lines, follow the same protocol. Spam filters actually scan the entirety of your emails, so it's important to keep that in mind when sitting down to write out the messages for your marketing campaign. Number 5. Try out different layouts and formatting strategies. Once you've determined what content you will feature in your email marketing campaign, take the time to play around with different layouts and formatting strategies for your messages. Your visual appearance greatly impacts how your audience will engage with your brand. Members of your audience are more likely to be drawn to read through emails that are user-friendly and meet a certain standard of aesthetics. Number 6. Be aware of email marketing regulations and compliance requirements. When considering email marketing as an outreach tactic, it's important to understand the rules and regulations that can turn your company's innocent approach into a legal nightmare if not obeyed. The Canned Spam Act sets regulations for commercial messages, as well as gives email recipients the right to unsubscribe. The last thing you want to deal with is the potential fines your business can face by failing to follow the compliance terms of the Canned Spam Act. Number 7. Use data and analytics insights to track your progress. Sending your email is not the final step in the journey of your email marketing campaign. Once you've secured a target audience and created a message full of interesting and engaging content, the next step is to test and track every aspect of your email marketing campaign so that you can gain helpful insights based on real data and analytics.